Today it's August 30th, 2016. I'm at Quick Pierre, 921 Northeast 142nd Street, Miami, Florida 33161. Emergency job. We're going to run the 3-inch stack. This is where there's repair. I can show there was repair on the roof. We're going to run and see what's going on over here. Still in vent. I'm going to stop for a minute to get maximum light so that we can see even better. Okay, now we have maximum light. I don't see nothing for some reason. See if we can take this is the stack, and we can see that the stack it's broken. Oh, we can see here even the stack here on the left side before even we run it. The thing that there's a main issue with this pipe. Don't know what's going on over here. Why we can see nothing. I'll take it out and I'll try to clean the head of the camera, and I'm going to run it again. Definitely there's a major issue over here. Now we can see even much better. Right away we can see problem. I don't know what is it, but right away we can see problem. Wow. I get pieces on the head of the camera, and we can see that there's standing water, and I can't even run it further. It's either collapsed pipe. This is between the two stacks. Yeah, I got stuck over here. I can't even run the camera further. It's like the pipe probably broken or collapsed. I'll try to take it again. Yeah, it's sending water. Oh, let's see. Now we can see. Yeah, it's holding water. The pipe is collapsed or broken. Let's see if I can get a better shot over here. Let's see, putting this, trying to see. This is the pipe. We can see. It looks like, yeah, this looks like a channel. You can see how the water running. Oh, and here we can see even. Looks like a crack. We come closer. Wow. Really terrible line. Yeah, I can't tape it. There's a major problem over here. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording.